born in 1914, but I was born in 1974.
See, I said your 1s and 7s were incomprehensible.
When I think of Meals on Wheels, I always think of little Yorkshire puddings on roller skates.